Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we have had a few light rain showers so far this morning, but most of that rain that we're going to see from this system is going to arrive later on this evening. You can see here on the radar currently we've got those light rain showers that move through over the course of the last couple of hours, some heavier showers over in the Tidewater region starting to exit the coast right now. As you take a look here at our radar and lightning display, you can see some lightning over the Outer Banks this morning, stretching north toward the Virginia Beach area. But again, those showers associated with that lightning are moving off the coast, so we are not going to see any of that activity this morning. It looks like we're just going to see a little bit of light rain shower activity, then a little break in the action before most of the activity arrives later this evening. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary is still far off to our west. We've got the warm front off to our north, bringing in lots of warm southerly flow to our region. That's providing us with another warm day. Unseasonably warm conditions expected once again, with temperatures almost 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Out ahead of this front, we're going to see some scattered rain showers today. We'll see some showers continuing this morning from time to time, but it does look like most of that activity will be arriving later on this evening as we get that frontal boundary moving over our area. Wanted to look at a short-range, high-resolution model to kind of show you exactly what we're expecting for the timing of these showers. Pausing it here at present time around 8 a.m., you can see most of that activity off to our south, which radar is also indicating. And then as we go through the morning hours, you can see most of that activity pretty light in nature for the next few hours, and then as we go to the noontime hour, you can see most of that activity off the coast and to our south. Through the afternoon, not expecting a whole lot of rain shower activity here, but as we go into the evening hours, you can see some of that shower activity beginning to enhance as that front gets a little closer to our region. And then as we get to 8 o'clock, you can see some heavier showers off to our north and west at that point, and then most of that activity arriving around midnight tonight, with that frontal passage moving through the region. So not expecting a washout today by any means. Most of that activity arriving later on tonight around midnight and into the wee hours of the morning. Currently out there, we've got multiple cloud decks. A few clouds currently at the 1,000 foot level, a scattered deck at 3,000 feet, broken deck at 6,000, and an overcast deck at 20,000 feet. Not currently seeing any rainfall here at Wallops, but again, we'll expect to see a chance of a few showers here and there for the next few hours. Looking at winds, pretty breezy today out of the south, currently at 14 knots, sustained 67 degrees, and our humidity at 93%. I'm going to take a look at our next 24 hours and what we can expect. Again, better chance of some rainfall this morning, and then likely seeing a little break in the action during the afternoon. Looking at precip chances below 15% afternoon time today, and through the mid to late afternoon hours, looking like we're going to probably see a lack of rainfall as well. Now, as we get to the 7 or 8 o'clock hour, we'll start to see those showers begin to move back into the region. And that's when we'll see the chances of some heavier rainfall around midnight tonight, with those showers and thunderstorms entering our area with that frontal boundary. We'll also see those breezy winds probably at its highest point as that front draws close to our area later on tonight and into the wee hours of the morning. We'll see those winds gusting potentially up to around 25 knots. And then as we go into the morning hours, most of the heavy rainfall should be off to the east, out to sea, but we will see the winds start to pick back up out of the northwest as that front draws in some cooler northwesterly breezes, and we see a little bit of sunshine possibly by the mid to late morning hours of Saturday. Looking at Saturday and Sunday's forecast, Saturday we're expecting just a slight chance of some lingering showers early. It looks like all that activity should be out of here by 9 or 10 o'clock, and maybe even earlier than that for our rainfall. We'll see some sunshine during the day and some breezy conditions behind that frontal boundary. Cooler temperatures expected as well, with a high of 62 degrees. Could even see that temperature falling a little bit during the afternoon. For Saturday night, partly cloudy and cooler conditions. We'll see a low of 42. And then for Sunday, sunny skies becoming partly cloudy during the afternoon with a high of 62 degrees. That'll wrap it up for your daily operations weather briefing today. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.